Taiwanese popcorn chicken. Ingredients: 1/2 pounds boneless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. ½ teaspoon rice vinegar. 2 cloves garlic, finely chopped. 2 teaspoons grated ginger. 1 teaspoon Chinese 5-spice powder. 1 teaspoon ground white pepper. 1 teaspoon salt. ½ teaspoon cayenne pepper. 1 egg. 1 cup tempura batter mix, or as needed. Peanut oil for frying. Garnish: 1 bunch Thai basil, chopped. 2 green onions, chopped. 1 pinch ground white pepper. 1 pinch salt. Directions: combine chicken pieces, soy sauce, rice vinegar, garlic, ginger, 5-spice powder, white pepper, salt, and cayenne pepper in a large bowl. Let marinate for 10 minutes. Heat oil in a deep fryer or large saucepan to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Whisk egg in a small bowl until smooth. Pour tempura batter mix into a second small bowl. Dip chicken pieces one at a time into the egg, then dredge in tempura batter mix, shaking off any excess. Lower chicken pieces carefully into the hot oil in batches. Fry until chicken is golden brown, 5 to 8 minutes. Transfer to a plate lined with paper towels to drain. Repeat with remaining chicken. Serve chicken sprinkled with basil leaves, green onions, white pepper, and salt.